is Vinayak from ELC International School Cyberjaya studying in year 5. So today I tried making Eiffel Tower on TinkerCAD. So let's begin. Firstly, select a pyramid from basic shapes. Now changing the dimensions of the pyramid to get proper 3D designs. Then select a cylinder from basic shapes. Now using the cylinder to shape the bottom end of the Eiffel Tower. Okay. So then I duplicate it and put it on the other side of the Eiffel Tower. So after I group it, this is how my Eiffel Tower looks. But this is not complete yet. So now that I get this beautiful Eiffel Tower shape, I choose the round roof. Then I turn it 90 degrees. Then I insert it inside, change it into a hole, make it a little bit big. So for this side it's done. Then you just duplicate and then do the same thing for the other side. And then if you group it, then see, this is the bottom of the Eiffel Tower done. So now you take a box from the basic shapes, you change it to 1 cm, and then you move it next to the Eiffel Tower shape and make it big. So see, it would look like this. Then you change the color to yellow. The Eiffel Tower looks fantastic and we are almost done with it. So now you go to the TinkerCAD basic shapes and choose the roof. Then you rotate it 90 degrees. Then you take this box. It's a whole box so it looks transparent. Then I'll zoom it in so you guys can get a closer look. Then put this on top on the tip of the roof top. So then you group these two shapes. Then you'll get this shape. Then place the cutout shape on the yellow line. Which should be exactly on the yellow line, as it should be sticking a little bit inside the yellow line. Adjust the height accordingly and then change this into hole using this button. Then make it larger. Then click on this button to duplicate it and change it to 90 degree. So then if you group it, then see this layer is also done. Then again take a box. I'll zoom in so you get a better idea. Then change this into 1 cm. Bring this up. Bring it to this height. Then make it bigger. Then change this color to yellow. And doesn't it look beautiful? Take a box, place it on top of the Eiffel Tower. Adjust the dimensions so to give a perfect shape to the 3D design. The Eiffel Tower truly looks fantastic. I really enjoyed making these designs. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Vinayak's Vision.